How to get $140 working Uber coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Uber coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, grab on, as this is the genuine website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Uber. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 25% off, $300 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. After you get the code, you're gonna head towards the website of Uber. Now you can go ahead and log into your account, book your ride, and pass it to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ride. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers for Uber. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber. So this way you can easily get up to $140 working coupon code for Uber. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.